Back at you. All right, so we have another really good video for you. It's for the fault code P0B0B, and it's for this Subaru Crosstrek. It's an XV model. It's a 2014, but this fault code is through different years and models. It's pertaining to the hybrid system. There's a fault in it. And like I said, it's a P0B0B, and it's for the transmission fluid pump supply voltage circuit is high. So, and that fault code, that description will get you in trouble. And basically what I'm saying is, if you follow that flow chart from Subaru, it's going to lead you in replacing something that is not going to repair the car. So let's get into what the concern is. The concern from the customer was when she's driving the vehicle, usually extended driving, she'll get fault lights all over the dash, and the hybrid system goes into fault and it stops working. So she loses the hybrid system, it goes in limp mode, and you can clear the code. It may not happen for 2 more days, but the fault code will return. That's usually what happens in the beginning of failure. It's an intermittent failure, okay? Meaning you can drive it one day, it's fine. The next day, the code will come up and the symptoms will show up as we described. So the good thing about this fault code is there is a technical service bulletin out by Subaru, and I will get that. I'll have it somewhere in the video so you can read it. It actually gives you a step-by-step diagnostic pinpoint testing that you follow with a voltmeter, and you basically unhook the 3-phase wires from the pump or the inverter area, not the pump, sorry, the inverter, and you can actually do the testing right there. And actually what will happen is, what you'll find is, if you have AC voltage coming out of a couple leads, that there's fluid getting into the electrical motor from the hybrid unit, and that's what's faulting this high voltage. So I'm going to bring in what we changed to fix it. This is it right here. This is the electric motor that's actually attached to the back, almost the back of the transmission. So the transmission does have to come out, and you do have to remove some of the transmission to gain access to this. This comes like this. It's a bunch of seals and gaskets. It's all listed in the TSB. You just basically disassemble it and replace it with this whole unit here. So basically fluid is getting into the electrical part of this. So that's what's creating a high voltage, AC voltage going through there. So it thinks the pump controller is the problem, but luckily Subaru has come out and said, hey, here's some better testing to lead you to the fault, which has always been this in our case. So you replace this, it will solve your problem. There's some seals in there you replace to prevent the oil getting in here and contaminating the motor. That's what we found. That's what you'll usually find. So if this video helps, let me know. Put a comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Share the video. I believe this is going to help several people out there with this fault code. Till the next one. See ya.